Let's look at this question now. In triangle ABC, length of AB is to length of AC is given as 2:1. E is a point situated on the extended portion of BC. B is extended up to D. Measure of angle CAE is equal to measure of angle DAE. Coordinates of point B are 1, 1, that of C are 4, 5. Find the coordinates of point E. Okay. So for the geometry questions, it is very important to draw diagram first. Only then can you decide whether you are going to attempt this question or not, right? So it is very important to draw the correct figure for these type of questions. So I need to draw a triangle ABC in which length of AB and AC is given as 2:1. Okay, so I have, let's say this is AB and this is triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. BC is extended. BC is extended and BC is extended, right? And AB, BA is also extended till D. BA is also extended till D, and the external angle bisector of this angle, that is DAC. Sorry, DAE, right? Because it is given that measure of CAE and DAE is equal. This line actually gives you the information about that this angle DAC is bisected, right? So this is the external angle. We need to draw the external angle bisector of this angle. So I am drawing the external angle bisector. Okay, so let me just make it a little neatly. Okay, so this is the angle bisector, right? And it cuts this BC at E. That is why angle CAE, this angle, is equal to angle DAE, that is this angle, correct? So we have this figure. The length of AB and AC is 2:1, right? If this length is 1 unit, this would be 2 units. Okay, coordinates of point B are 1, 1. Coordinates of point C are 4, 5. I need to find the coordinates of E. I'm assuming them to be X, Y, correct? Now, this question relates coordinate geometry with the external angle bisector. If you know the angle bisector theorem, if you know the external angle bisector theorem, so angle bisector theorem says that the ratio of sides would be equal to, let's say, this angle, this CAD is the external angle and it is bisected. So the ratio of these two adjoining sides, that is AC upon AB, according to angle bisector theorem, AC upon AB would be equal to the distance of angle bisector from this point and the angle bisector of the angle bisector from this point, right? So AC, if I take this line, I need to take this distance, that is CE. And when I talk about AB, because it is AB, so I need to take this distance BE, that is BE. So you can see AC and AB is to AC is given as 2:1. I can write AC upon AB as 1/2. So the required ratio, that is CE is to BE, is 1:2. 1:2. Can you see CE is 1 unit and BE is 2 units? So we can fairly say that this point C will divide this distance between B and E in the ratio 1:1. It will divide this distance in the ratio 1:1, correct? Which means C would be the midpoint of BE. If C is the midpoint of BE, can I find the coordinates of point E now? Very easily, right? So this coordinates of C, that is X coordinate, 4 would be equal to X1 plus X2 by 2, that is 1 plus X by 2. So from here I get the value of X as 8 minus 1 is 7. Then the Y coordinate of C, that is 5, it is equal to 1 plus Y by 2. and that would be equal to y is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. So the coordinates of point E are 7, 9, or option A is the correct answer.